Is your morning routine more chaos than calm? It might be your dressing table. Let's fix that in 60 seconds. A cluttered vanity can really start your day off on the wrong foot, turning a simple makeup session into a frantic treasure hunt. But don't worry, a peaceful and beautiful space is just a few steps away. First, take a deep breath and clear everything off. Yes, everything. Give that surface a good wipe down. Now, let's get organized. Group similar items together. Think brushes, palettes, and skincare. Use stylish trays to corral your favorite perfumes and lotions. It instantly looks chic and intentional. Pop your brushes into a cute holder. By putting everything back with a purpose, you create a system. Imagine starting your day here tomorrow. Everything is in its place, easy to find, and looks gorgeous. A tidy vanity doesn't just look good. It makes every morning smoother and more enjoyable. If you love this quick tip, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to simplify your life. Thanks for watching.